What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the thrift store. Let's see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to check out the video games. They're right by the front door, so why not? We got a whole bunch of PS3 games right here, all sports games, nothing great. 360 games, again, nothing great. Prices aren't bad though, but just nothing worth reselling. There's also some more on the other side over here. A couple Wii U games, which is surprising. I don't find Wii U games very often, but those ones aren't so great. I thought Superman might be worth something, but it really isn't, so I left it behind. Look at all the media here. There are so many DVDs, CDs, video games, just everything strewn about. So I gotta just look through the new stuff. I see a nice little stack of them down here on the bottom shelf. We're gonna pull out my phone and open it up and open up the Amazon seller app. It's the quickest and easiest way to look items up. So we'll just grab the first one here, Scooby-Doo. And yeah, seal looks good. Everything looks intact. Everything looks legit. Let's scan that barcode and you'll see it'll pop right up. There we go. Okay, let's click through and see what it's selling for brand new. $13.60. Amazon takes a $6 fee, but they leave you with $6.89. It only cost me $2, so I'll be making about $4.80. That's really not bad at all. We're sticking that in the cart, and I'm going to do some more scanning. Now take a look at that. We got a whole bunch of DVDs right here. Well, about 5 of them. I'm cool with that. Taking a look on this top shelf over here, I see some 50 Shades of Grey books, and I found a sealed big box PC game up there with it, as well as these board books. Now, of course, guys, I'm going to go over everything at the end of the video. You guys will see how much all of this is worth. We have some awesome finds, guys, and I fill my cart up to the brim. It gets hard to push this thing around. I made out like a bandit. Take a look at this snow globe right here. It's a Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse Disney snow globe. It's in not the best of shape. I was gonna look into it a little bit further, but then I noticed Mickey and Minnie had like these yellow stains all over them. It just wasn't something I was ready to mess with. So I moved to the back of the store and take a look at all of the games and look at how many games there are. There are shelves and racks and everything, and even behind me there's somebody picking through the games, and there's just so much to go through. So what I do like to do is find the sealed ones first and then start moving on to, you know, the open ones. I sell used games all the time. You just got to count the pieces. A lot of people don't like to count pieces. Here's a perfect example. Yahtzee Jr. has a decent rank in toys, selling for $36. You'll make $25.69. Nice. Let's see how much this game costs us. This Yahtzee Jr. costs, I believe, 99 cents. That is amazing. That is a great price to pay to profit over $20. Even after shipping, I'll still make over $20 on this. I hate how they tape their boxes shut, though. I have to cut it open with my keys every time I'm inside of this thrift store to count all the pieces. And then when I get home, I use my heat gun and I have to hit it a little bit and make sure I can pull all the tape off. We have another 99-cent game right here. I love finding 99-cent games. Let's scan this one in real time for you guys. With the Amazon seller app, we hit it up, scan it in, and my service isn't the best in here, so it takes a couple seconds, but when it opens up, look at that. Great rank in toys. Selling for $19.99, I'll make $11.57. Remember, it cost me 99 cents. I'm making over $10 on this one used game. And it's very easy to count the pieces. You know, I really don't mind counting pieces, but you'll see we start to have a bit of a dilemma. I start finding a lot of good games and start to run out of space. This Rudolph game right here, I grabbed it because Christmas is coming up, it's winter, figure Rudolph, makes sense, it's gonna sell for good money. I do scan it into Amazon and it ends up being restricted. So happens to me all the time. I scan things in and I'm restricted in them. And yeah, right here We'll click through to it. Oh, actually, I'm not restricted on this one. Sorry, guys. I guess it doesn't happen to me very often. I'm only going to make $8 on it, and I think they were asking 4. It just wasn't worth it with a little bit of a higher rank, so I left it behind. But going back to how I do get restricted on items, Amazon sometimes doesn't let me send certain brands into their warehouses. They don't let me sell them through their platform. I have to deal with that just like everybody else that sells online. I'm not, ungated in everything out there, but look at this cart. It's because I expand, I decide to fill the cart with things that are used, opened, because I'm going to take the time to sit down and count all the pieces. And guys, it does take a good amount of time. Now moving to the electronics, you can see it's circled right there, circled as is. I hate to see that. That means there's something wrong with the unit, and I'm not going to pull it out and see what's wrong with it. Sometimes it's either just like, some wear to it, or it doesn't work at all. So I just left all the electronics behind, but I find these Dance Dance Revolution mats, $10 a piece. I know I forget to mention them when I do my haul video at the end of this video, but they're selling for about $100 a piece on eBay. Total bolo. Keep an eye out for it. Okay, the first game is down. This has all the pieces. Sweet. A lot more to go. Second game down. It's actually brand new inside. Just the seal was missing. Not bad. Keep going. We have our first one missing pieces. This Zingo game. It's supposed to have 72 of these number tiles. There's only 58. So a lot are missing. This will go back on the shelf. So far, pretty much everything that I've counted is complete. This is the first non-complete one. Got 2 more Zingos to check. So out of all 3 Zingo games, 2 were missing some pieces. 1 was complete. So we could put that in there. I'm dreading checking the Monopoly type games. There's a Monopoly up there. Those are such a pain in the butt. But we're gonna check this Nickelodeon Scene It. Let's see. All right, lucky me. This was actually brand new sealed underneath the plastic. The plastic's missing. This happens a lot. You can see those cards are still sealed. Everything's still where it's supposed to be under there. So I could sell this without even having to count the pieces. I love it. All right, and here is the cart. Finished going through everything. The only things missing pieces were these 3 games, those 2 Zingos, and the Ella Fun. It's kind of a shame because this Guess Who Extra and this Casino-opoly are going for a lot of money, but I had to leave them. They just don't have all the pieces. There's nothing I can do about that. This wasn't, I don't think it was missing anything. I stopped counting because it is in horrible shape, so there was just no point. Those were missing pieces, and the Ella Fun was missing 3 of the little butterflies. So I'm just gonna leave it. If somebody else wants it, they could have it. And I think that about does it. And then we have these. I didn't scan every board game, so I think I'm gonna go back over there and start scanning some more up. So heading back over to the back wall where all the games are, they have these baggies, and it's just a whole bunch of random assorted toys thrown into these bags, priced between 99 cents and about $5. $5 on the really high end. It's usually 99 cents, $1.99, $2.99. And I found this knife in here with these little kids' toys. I thought that was kind of weird, kind of funny. Of course, it was a toy knife. It's probably not going to hurt anybody. And then I find 2 card games right here, Skip Bo and Uno, for 99 cents. Okay, that's exactly what I like to look for. Well, I scanned both of them, and they're both not really worth anything. So I had to leave those behind, but let's keep looking through here. Maybe we'll find something. Lots of diapers. Lots of diapers is what we find. Has anybody sold diapers online? I find that they're never worth it. I've seen other resellers buying and selling these types of things, adult diapers, and I never have luck with them. They're so big, so heavy to ship. Maybe there's a certain brand that's better than others, because my thrift stores always have dozens of them, like I just showed you guys, and they're never worth anything. I like this wolf, this coyote wolf thing. I wanted it, but I left it. There's my cart. Somebody was coming, so I left and went to the ties. And $6 for some ties. Salvatore Ferragamo, though. Okay, that's pretty good. That's a great brand. That's like the top of the top when it comes to ties, really. And there's a few of them here at $6 a piece. That's pretty awesome. Let's see if there's anything else over here. I see an Ermenegildo Zegna tie. That's interesting. A few Brooks Brothers ties. But I like these Salvatore Ferragamo ties at $6 a piece. Should I get them? Would you guys get them? Let me know down below. if you mess with ties or even clothing. I really don't mess with clothing at all, but I think for $6, I'm gonna grab them. Why not? And take a quick look at the clothing. I find these cool, ugly Christmas sweaters. I wanted the Yukon Huskies one for myself, but these were double XLs, far too big, $20, but brand new with tags. That is awesome. I do end up picking up the Patriots one. You guys will see at the end how much it's worth. All right, guys, we are back at the house. I have everything set up on this table from that thrift store. We got lots of stuff to go through, so let's go over it. This is just my dining room table, so there's still stuff on it. I didn't empty the table, but so you guys can tell what is what. Now, I'm going to pop some prices up here on the screen because I don't remember exactly what everything is going for. So you guys will see pretty much everything here, my exact price that I think I'm going to get for it. So first we have a big stack of board games here. Outfoxed, which I've never heard of before, but these Game Right games are definitely good ones to look after. There's that logo right there. It's like a little jester or something. They sell pretty well. Let's try and get the prices on here. $2 is what I paid for that, so really not much at all. Circuit Maze, here's another great brand to look out for. Think Fun. This brand right here, you can see I have multiple. I always sell their stuff really well. I actually have a few, at least a couple other games with this branding from this haul today, so always keep an eye out. And guys, most of these are used. I still sell used games all the time. It took me a while. You guys saw to count all the pieces, but it's totally worth it. Next, Ticket to Ride. I paid $15 for this. I paid $1 each on these guys. I paid $15 for Ticket to Ride. You guys can see I'm restricted on Amazon. I cannot sell that brand on Amazon, so on eBay it will go, or I will keep it. I haven't decided yet. I've always wanted to play it. $15, not a bad deal for, you can see what it's going for. Next, we have this cool Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pop-Up Pizza playset for $4. Nobody is on the Amazon listing. I didn't check eBay, so I'll pop some eBay comps up here on the screen so you guys can see what this is selling for. Did I make a good buy? I have no idea. I don't even know what it's worth. I just bought it because it was cool looking. We have Disney Moana Sorry, brand new sealed. It was like $3. Great deal on that. Gnomes at Night. That is also out of stock on Amazon. So what do? I check eBay. Now I paid $2 for it. There's none listed on eBay as well, so that's probably where I'll list mine. The most recent one that sold was about $30, so I'll take it. $30 for a game and another Zingo. I get about $8 to $10 a pop on these Zingos, and they're really easy to count the pieces and ship in. Next, you guys probably saw a brief moment of me looking at the sweaters. $20, that seemed crazy to me, and I'm like, well, you know what, let me scan the barcode just in case. I scanned it, and this is selling for $70 on Amazon. Awesome. Great rank also. It's Christmas is coming up. Football is going on right now, so great sweater to send into Amazon. Then we got some ties. Now, I don't buy a lot of clothing. The times when I do is like this, when I can send it into Amazon, or things that are just too cool to pass up. So these were $6 each. These are those Salvatore Ferragamo ties. And if we get real close in here, you can see we have martini glasses and like corncob pipes. Like smoking pipes and martini glasses. I just thought that was really cool. Pretty unique style on there for $6 a piece. These can go anywhere from like $25 to $50 in my opinion. I see some go as high as like $100 if it's like a really desirable pattern. These are both really cool, and there's none like this online, so I might price high and see what happens. Then we got some movies here. $2, $4, that's a little book set that I picked up. This little mini minimalist book set, not bad there for $4. Scooby-Doo, Broken Arrow, and The Best of Trading Spaces. And these three are, actually all of these are sealed right here, so some decent money in that stuff. Cards Against Humanity, I picked it up because it was 99 cents. I didn't even look up what it's selling for. I think on eBay it's going for like $20-ish or so. So on Amazon it's probably going for about the same. These were better than I thought they'd be. These little bedtime story blocks? I have no idea. Board books, there we go. $8 a piece. They're selling for a lot more, you guys can see on the screen. So great to find two of those brand new. Then we have 2 more DVDs. I find them in these huge sets all the time. All this is just empty cardboard underneath. So I actually open it up and throw it out because the DVD on the inside is sealed. So instead of shipping this off like this, I just ship the DVDs, and that works perfectly fine. We got a Fortnite Boogie Bomb here for 99 cents. These sell for about 15 bucks over on eBay. Super lightweight as well. Now for the next stack of board games. We have Fibber. Really easy to count the pieces. I've sold this game a bunch of times in the past. There's like 15, 16 pieces in the entire box. Seen It, Nick Seen It. That one was still pretty much brand new sealed, so that was great. This is brand new sealed. One Direction Girl Talk. The cheapest price on Amazon is like $58. I think it spiked because of Christmas, so I got to get that shipped in ASAP. Yahtzee Jr. Disney. I've actually sold 2 of these in the past. They sell very fast. Paid 99 cents for it. Again, there's only like 10 pieces in the entire box. Another brand new sealed game, The Wimpy Kid 10-second challenge. Not going to make a lot on it. I paid... I think we got to go all the way around. I paid $6 for it. And after fees, I'll make like $5.50 to $6. So it's just a quick double up, really easy. It's brand new sealed. Next, this 1775 board game. Selling for like $70, but I'm restricted in it. So I'm gonna have to try on eBay with that. This Fancy Nancy hide and peek game. Brand new sealed. Paid a couple bucks for it. Should sell for, you guys see it right up here on the screen. Pretty good. Hands down, another game. It had 42 cards in a little baggie and then just the main board. So really quick and easy to count, and it only cost me a couple bucks. Dino Math Tracks. This one took a little bit longer to count. There were like 16 cool dinosaurs inside, a bunch of cool little cards. It was honestly pretty cool looking. This Monopoly game was probably the biggest pain in the butt to count. There were a lot of pieces in there, but it is complete. It was actually very clean inside, so that helps for sure, going for some pretty good money. And then down here, we have a brand new sealed big box PC game, SimCity 2000. Cheapest one on eBay is about 40 bucks. So I paid 8. Harry Potter, I buy these hardcover Harry Potter books to lot up. When I get the entire series of Harry Potter, I lot them up and I sell them for like $60 to $80. Here's another one of those Think Fun games right here, Hoppers. And this guy I've never seen before. It's a game that I've just never noticed at any thrift store, and it goes for some pretty good money. It's got to be semi-rare, I guess. These green science toys I always pick up and sell. They're never worth a lot. This was only $2. And I'm going to make a little bit of money on it, but it's just easy because it's brand new sealed. Same goes with this puzzle here. Brand new sealed puzzle. It wasn't on Amazon from what I can find, so I'll throw it on eBay for like 20, 25 bucks, and it should sell pretty well before Christmas. So that is everything. Great haul, lots of great items here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.